Welcome to Angie Chats and Tarot. Hello, Cancer. Welcome in. I love my Cancers. Let's get into this message. Thank you to all who have supported this channel. Remember, not everything is going to resonate. Take what doesn't, leave the rest. Let's get into this. If you'd like to know something in particular, just put it down in the comments section. Collectively, Cancer, what are you wanting to know more about? We'll take a look at it. I'll do a spread. For now, let's get into this message. Messages for our Cancer here. Two of Pentacles, it's in the reverse. Were you very busy? Now you're kind of calming down. You were juggling a lot. You've gotten some clarity on whatever you're juggling. Six of Pentacles in the reverse. King of Cups in the reverse. Giving too much to a situation, a person, I think overall, you're pulling back on this. You're saying, look, this makes me unstable when I give so much to others and not to self. Judgment is here. Yeah, you're making a judgment happen here on your actions and how that's come back to you. A lot of protection here, I see. A lot of spiritual growth here. I'm hearing you've always had that. You've always been in tight with your spiritual team. Seven of Wands is out here now. I've always been there for somebody. I've always been the one in this situation that everybody can count on. I'm always the last one standing. I'm always the last one there. I'm always the support for everyone. I'm the rock. Is that what I want to be? I have to think about this. I'm going to give this some more thought. Is this lifestyle good for me? Is this style good for me? Something like that. Messages for our Cancer here. Eight of Swords, Eight of Cups, eight's significant here. Page of Swords, Page of Wands, Four of Pentacles. Something about the giving and the giving and the giving really makes you feel kind of imprisoned. You're wondering, do I walk away from that? But then there's an element of guilt. Do I hang on to that? Do I walk away from it? If I walk away from it, does anybody else take this place? Then what happens to that situation, that person? But I really want to do something that inspires me. I really want to focus in on me. That is my truth. Let's get out some clarifiers. Justice. What's the justice here for me? You're asking yourself. What's the Two of Pentacles here, Spirit? Whoa, okay. The Death card, the Queen of Wands in the reverse, and the Ten of Pentacles. what you're juggling is, do I make some sort of change here that leads to what I see as abundance for myself? Or do I stay codependent with this person? I feel like they're codependent and you're helping them. Do I stay with this? Because there is a sense I'm hearing again of, if I leave, then who takes over, or what happens to this situation or person? What's the Six of Pentacles here? What's the Six of Pentacles here in the reverse? Okay. Yeah, there's some imbalance here, and you're wondering again, the Fool, do I take a leap away? Do I do something different? Do I stay loyal to myself? Or am I continuing to provide for this situation or person? It's the King of Cups in the reverse here. This situation or person is confusion. It's instability. It's one thing one day and another and the next day. Four of Cups, Three of Pentacles. Some days are rewarding in this situation or with this person. Other days are, and there's a connection. Other days are, there's no connection. You're not even seen. It's not a sense of being appreciated at all. Then other times it's like, but I feel like I'm the gift. Like I feel like my spirit team is saying, I'm the gift here. I have to be the one here. I'm hearing to both endure this and to be the gift, something like that. Okay. What's the Judgment here? Everything comes out. What's the Judgment? Judgment. The Judgment has something to do with your future. So yeah, this is you saying, I got to make a decision here. And it feels like you feel like it's one way or the other. I'm either in or I'm out, something like that. Okay, it's something about releasing your essence. And this is a conversation you're having with yourself too. I want to be my true, authentic self. Okay, and am I that in this situation? It's an open honesty with your own heart. Truth to self. This is a tough situation. These are tough questions you're asking yourself. Because I feel like somebody that you care about or some situation you care about is really on the line here. And then also it's like, but what about me? Okay. Seven of Wands and the Sun. You're the last person standing. You're the last hope you feel. The Sun, enlightenment. It's the Seven of Wands and the Sun here, Spirit. You've learned a lot from this situation, even though I don't see that you're altogether happy about it and being a part of it. The Lovers talks about choices. That's what you're trying to decide here, is this choice. And again, I feel like it's one or the other. Which way do I go? There are only two choices here, you feel. Maybe that's the key. You have other choices. You're the last person that can do this, that can make this work. What's the choice here? What's the Seven of Wands, the Sun, and the Lovers, Holy Spirit? Okay. You've got the Hermit, you've got the Priestess, High Priestess, the Ace of Pentacles, and the Six of Cups. Something you don't see here. You can't see it with your eyes, but the growth is there. The growth within you is there. There is something you're getting out of this that you don't see. That is important. It has something to do with growth. It's like all over you. This situation helps you to grow. You don't realize it. Use your intuition. Something's in a book. Go to the book. There's something about a book. Read something in a book, or this person has a book. This situation creates a book. There's something in a book. I'm even seeing like a photo. There's a photo in a photo. In some sort of scrapbook. Look there. Something there is very helpful to your decision making. It's the key. But the key is broken. Why is the key broken? Something about the past. Don't look back. Don't look back on the past and what was broken. Look at the here and the now. And there's something about the here and the now in the book. In this book. What's the broken key here, Spirit? Definitely a don't look back, okay? Four of Swords. Eight of Cups. Make sure you're not taking the easy route out. It's not about easy routes. If something was broken in the past, it's not about looking at the past and saying, you know, this is not how I wasn't treated well. Why should I turn around and treat this situation, this person well? It's about the hard choices of doing what's right by the situation just because. You do right by the situation. You do right by the person just because. Something written in the book. Got the King of Cups in the reverse here now. Instability. You want to take a rest from the instability of something. And you're being asked to lean into your divine guidance, your higher power, the higher source for you to get through this block. I want to move away from the instability. But it looks like the energy of the cards is saying, stay in it and lean into a higher power that gives you strength here. And then the broken key is fixed. Use your third eye. Your spiritual strength is the key to this situation that you want to leave because it's unstable and you want to do for self. You want to do something for yourself. And you weren't treated well in the past by some situation or person, and you're saying, yeah, now I'm expected to treat them well. Something in the book. Read something in the book. It has to do with your spiritual side and gaining strength from your team, the divine. It restores the key. Oh, the key is restoration here. It restores the relationship. It restores the situation. It restores you. It restores your strength in this situation. Wow. Oh my goodness. It gives you strength and it gives you energy again. It washes you anew, I hear. Knight of Swords. Knight of Swords, a very brave knight, comes in with the truth, very bold energy, dynamic energy, air energy, intellect. It gets you back in the game here, your connection with spirit, with the divine, with a higher source. The divine, the higher source sees you feel trapped, sees you wanting to walk away. And they're saying, hang on. Hang on. Find strength in the divine. There's going to be clear communication here, and there's going to be clear inspiration even. Coming out sideways, the Ten of Cups. You don't see this yet. You're like, do I go for myself here? Do I go for this situation, this person? What is my happily ever after? Two of Swords. Page of Swords. Look deep here because you don't want to block your happily ever after. And it may not be the answer you think. I feel like you don't see the answer. Like there's some growth that needs to take place here before you see the real true answer here of what to do. For sure, it's leaning into the divine. Lean into your spirit team. What is the happily ever after here, Spirit? The Empress, abundance, a new beginning, a rebirthing, growth. Work on your emotions. An opportunity to work on your emotions here. The Empress is here. A lot of abundance, a lot of growth. There's something about the house. There's something about the house that's been a challenge. Maybe literally, or something about the family in the house that's been a challenge. I'm hearing again, the happiness here comes from the growth. You don't have all the information. You need to grow more before you make a decision. The Emperor in the reverse. This situation or this person in the past has not been a person that you'd want to help now, but you're being asked to. It's like you're the only person who can. You're the last one standing. You're it. But this is what you question. 3 of Wands is on the side. 6 of Swords is on the side. Yeah, you're at a crossroads. 2 of Swords. Choppy waters, smooth waters. Ships come in. I stand on the side of the dock, and no ships arrive. You're at a crossroads. Do I stay in? Do I get out? Okay, let me ask this. Is there more than one answer here, or like Cancer's looking at it as stay or go? Two choices. 4 of Wands in the reverse. There are more than 2 choices. Stay and go. It's a release of the ghosts of the past. It's an individual taking responsibility for self. If something bad has happened in the past, you take responsibility for self and your own happiness. There's more than one choice than just stay or go. Judgment, you get twice. It's at the bottom of the deck now. Judgment. Judgment. And the 7 of Swords is at the bottom of the deck. Avoid arguments here. Avoid going to the past with your mind and with this person or with the situation. Avoid the past. Remember, we saw that. Avoid the past in judging it. Be in the present, the here and now. There is something good that can come out of this, even though you don't see it. The moon also at the bottom of the deck. Yeah, there's a lot here. There's a lot of growth that needs to take place. So lean in on your spirit team and hang in there. The answers will come, but there needs to be some more growth here on your part. And you've done a fantastic job. There's just more to this than you're realizing at the moment. Let's grab a charm. And I'm hearing if you stay in this and then you evaluate it, you'll be glad you stayed in it because you'll be in a place that gives you the full picture. You'll be glad you did something here. Okay, we've got the Wasp with the bee energy, very hardworking. Yeah, this situation is not easy. This requires a lot of work. The moon, this is also feminine energy as well as emotional energy. Crescent moon is feminine energy, and this is moon energy is always emotional. This requires kind of a feminine touch, a nurturing touch with someone that maybe hasn't been that way with you. But hang in there and lean on your spirit team for sure, for sure, for sure. Main point of the message, lean into that spirit team. They will help you to find justice here. They will help you to find the right answers, the right path. They will help you to grow. You'll be glad that you give yourself some more time in this situation to where you can, when it's all said and done, yeah, I'm glad I did something here. I'm glad I stayed with it, something like that. That's your message, Cancer. It's kind of cryptic, but I feel like it's also very deep for someone very emotional, very tough. Spirit team, key. restoring that broken key. Absolutely the key. Absolutely the key. Cancer, that's your message. I hope you like this message. I hope you like this channel. If you do, please like, share, subscribe. It really helps the channel to grow. And until next time, let's remember who we are. Let's remember our self-worth. Thanks for joining me.